Hello? I'll be giving you a demonstration of what we're doing with the DARwIn here at Swarthmore College. I will be controlling this robot, the position and rotation of the body with this joystick here while keeping its feet in place. What we're doing is we're first finding out the transformation of the feet relative to the body, and then using the inverse kinematics code generated with using OpenRAVE, we'll be controlling the joints, and that way control the body of the DARwIn. First is the translation of the body downwards. I will show you the forward and backwards again in another angle. And now the rotation. First the sideways rotation. Now I'll show you from another angle. And the rotations. And that'll be all.